Number 6 asks us to solve. So we're going to start by drawing the line down that middle to separate the left from the right. Notice we have to start combining some like terms, but before that we have to deal with the parentheses. This 4 is what is in front of the parentheses, so that is what we are distributing. 2 times m becomes 2m, and 2 times 1 becomes just a 2. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Bring everything else down. The 7, the plus equals to 29. There should be some like terms. The 7 plus 2, that becomes a 9. Okay, bring the 2m down, bring down the plus sign, bring down the equal sign, bring down the 29. Now we can solve it. Minus 9 to both sides, so the left hand side cancels. 9 minus 9 cancels. We have a 2m is equal to 29 minus 9 becomes a 20. We have a 2 that is attached to a multiplication, so we're going to divide 2 to both sides. 2 divided by 2 cancels, making the number 1. M is equal to 10. Next, for the next one, let's start by drawing the line down that middle. Okay. Then we have a -3. We're going to distribute that inside here. -3 times 2k becomes -6k. Then also distribute the -3 into the -1. That becomes a +3. Bring everything else down. 3k comes down. Equal sign 27. Now there should be some like terms. 3k minus 6k becomes -3k. Bring everything else down. Plus 3 equals to 27. Now we can solve for it. Minus 3 to both sides. 3 minus 3 on the left does cancel, making the number 0. -3k is equal to 27 minus 27, and -3 becomes 24. Divide by -3 to both sides. -3 divided by -3 cancels, leaving you with just a k is equal to -8. So k does equal to -8.